Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum for the latest. Are we going to be able to maybe sit outside at some of these restaurants, Dave?
Not looking too bad right now. Very hot and humid, though, if you don't mind that. But let's start with the tropics first. Looking at Fred here. Large circulation you see with this, but it's very ragged. It really got beaten up when it went over the island of Hispaniola. You have 10,000-foot mountains there. So when it crossed over the island, it kind of ripped it up quite a bit, which is good. So it's kind of weak. It's going to take some time for it to regenerate and get stronger. And it's expected to do so. But right now, though, you can see with Fred, winds are at 35 miles per hour here. It's sitting just over the northern, or rather eastern tip of Cuba here on the northern side of it, gusting to 45, moving west-northwest at about 14. Now, the forecast track keeps it a tropical depression through tomorrow morning, and then briefly are trying to get it to a tropical storm as it gets into the Florida Straits Friday into Saturday, and then into the Gulf of Mexico by Saturday night. And then the question is, where is it going to go? Is it going to stay over Florida? Is it going to go over the coast of Florida there, or is it going to go farther into the Gulf of Mexico? Well, the current track has it just over the coast and just beyond, I should say, though, and then kind of making landfall Monday morning here over the Florida Panhandle, not too far from Apalachicola, Florida area there, and then moving to the north. Now, if it takes this track, bulk of the rain is going to be displaced here off to the east versus over top of us, which would be good. If it took more of a western track, we'd have to deal with more of the heavy rain, maybe a couple tornadoes. Far eastern track, we'd probably have nothing to do with this. So we'll have to wait and see, but still a lot of uncertainty. It's got a battle land, wind shear, and dry air. Again, in the Gulf this weekend. Again, maybe that landfall on the Florida Panhandle if it takes that track. We'll have to see if it does survive. Behind it, we have another system out here. This is Invest 95. Slow development with this one. Medium chance to become tropical depression here in the next 5 days. Forecast models have it going a similar track of where Fred is, maybe curving up the eastern seaboard. A long time to watch this. Wouldn't even get to the islands until this weekend. So we'll definitely keep a close eye on that to see what it tries to do. Back here at home, though, no rain to speak of. 86 degrees. It's warming up. Dew point 71. It feels like it's 91 degrees outside right now. Definitely going to be heating things up out there. It is 90 in Jasper, 82 in Tuscaloosa, though, 85 in Talladega, so not quite as hot. Heat index a couple of places over toward Jasper around 100, 95 there over into the Anniston area, so not too shabby. But we will see those scattered storms popping up through 5 o'clock this afternoon. Temperatures get into the lower 90s. Heat index around 100, 101, not too bad. That's why there's no heat advisory out there for today. We are seeing a few thunderstorms across Clay County right now, north of Lineville, over toward the Union area, back down toward Brownsville, Roselle area, Carmel, getting a little bit of some of that rain, but that's it at the moment. All thanks to a little weak disturbance kind of moving through the area here. But I am expecting to get some more of those showers and storms to pop up as we head throughout the afternoon hours. They'll continue on into the evening and then kind of dissipate as we get beyond dinner time tonight. Tomorrow morning, we'll wake up to some quiet weather out there. But guess what? We'll have more scattered thunderstorms popping up with the heating of the day tomorrow. Very typical weather pattern for the summertime here across the Birmingham area. And more or less the same through Sunday. Of course, we'll keep an eye on Fred. It could impact us Monday, Tuesday, the little rain, but high temperatures down into the 80s.